Croeso i'r Migneint. A mae Migneint yn rhostir mawr efo mawn sy'n gorchuddio y mynyddoedd. Mae mawn yn cael ei creu o'r migwyn. This process of turf walking, what I do is, so I place it on my head like this, and I do walk with the turf upon my head. I invite you to take a bit of turf, a bit of peat, and if you wish you can place it on your head or you can carry it in your hands. Little chimes with me. Follow. This is the sphagnum moss. The individual plant has been growing for thousands of years. It grows upwards, spiralling around as it sucks the water up. It is between the air and the soil and the water. Sphagnum has the most amazing properties of holding water. The thing about sphagnum and all other mosses is you never ever see it on its own, do you? It just can't even stand up on its own. But together they stand together and grow upwards. Always together, always growing together. They just grow forever unless they're disturbed. Sphagnum magellanicum.
Sphagnum magellanicum.
Sphagnum papillosum.
Sphagnum papillosum.
Migwyn cochion.
Migwyn cochion.
Migwyn amawn.
Migwyn amawn.
Sphagnum palustri.
Sphagnum palustri.
Sphagnum inundatum.
Sphagnum inundatum.
Sphagnum denticulatum.
Sphagnum denticulatum.
Sphagnum auriculatum.
Sphagnum auriculatum.
Migwyn cyffredin.
Migwyn cyffredin.